And look at the wisdom of the Quran. You and I normally know that something living will die, right? Something living will die. But hear what Allah says in the Quran. Alladhi khalaqal mawta wal hayata. Allah is saying that something dead will come alive. Isn't that interesting? See the wisdom? Interesting, huh? Brother Zad? Deep food for thought. Allah did not say that life and then death. He uses the terminology death first and then life. What does that mean? That you and I were dead first. What were we in the wombs of our mothers? A lump of flesh. Before the soul goes into this lump of flesh, the fetus, or whatever you want to call it, and however, the lump of flesh that has been accumulated through the process of life, and there's a whole different biology. We want to get to the spiritual point. It was first dead. To a biological point, it have what is living cell, But from a life, human being point of view, it was just a lump of flesh. And if a woman was to pass that lump of flesh out, you wouldn't even say it was a child. Go ask the people who study this. That little lump of flesh, 2-3 months old, if a woman passes that out, it's a piece of flesh that they dump. They throw in the garbage, or they put away somewhere. See? So it was from the haya, the life point of the soul aspect of the existence, we were first dead. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put life into that lump of flesh. See cycle? See the wisdom of the Quran? Human beings would